The cameras are installed at intersections and capture detailed vehicle data.
6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines.
They're easy to miss, but they're watching you.
Watching you at all times.
Big Brother is watching you.
You are now less valuable than the data you produce.
Which AI can analyze to identify people and alert authorities.
But who controls the computer?
More than 100,000. They're called flock cameras.
Private company Flock Safety.
A mass surveillance network.
Personal data collection is the key commodity. You are no longer an individual. You are a data cluster bound to a vast global network.
If you have been on a public road lately, you might have noticed these little Ring doorbell camera looking devices. Those are most likely Flock Safety cameras, aka illegal spy cams. They're pretty much just unwarranted mass surveillance. They track your face, your car, your license plate, your driving patterns, all without your permission. Bro, the police got a fucking crystal ball now. Oh my gosh, and they're working on an autonomous drone. We are so cooked. These things are like everywhere in my town, and more of them just keep popping up. They're like little weeds. City officials are in love with flock cameras because they can just creep on people with limited legal hurdles. There have been numerous cases where officers just straight up stalk people like their exes.
Alameda County insists the data isn't flowing the other way.
We have absolutely no external sharing with any federal agencies. There's no way they could access our data.
Scanning for Mexicans.
Police are using these flock cameras to arrest people without warrants because for some reason the police think that Flock's janky hot list system is probable cause. It's no wonder people have been just going out and smashing these cameras. The F students might actually be the inventors.
Peter Thiel, I love you! Peter Thiel!
Imagine going back in time to like 2012 to warn the public about Flock AI cameras. Everyone would think you're fucking crazy. Flock operates on a subscription service model. The hardware themselves, like the cameras and the solar panels, they're all owned by Flock. They just lease them out to cities through a contract. So the cities can build a mass surveillance network without any voter approval. They're getting away with it because the law has not yet caught up to the technology. It's legal arbitrage.
Did Flock get hacked? No, it's definitely not accurate.
Flock is committed to continuously improving security.
Automated license plate readers are not problematic by themselves. What makes Flock problematic is the networking and the way they're implementing them without consent. Flock is just so blatantly evil, yet there are people fighting for their lives trying to defend this company, saying things like,
if you don't do anything wrong, you shouldn't worry.
If you're an American citizen watching this video right now, chances are your fat ass probably committed some crimes today and you just did not know it. The laws on the land are just so vast and obscure. It would actually take some genuine effort to not break the law. Like, it's easier for dudes under 5'3" to find a girlfriend than it is to not break any laws within 24 hours. A French statesman, Cardinal Richelieu, once said, "If you give me 6 lines written by the hand of the most honest of men, I will find something in them which will hang him." Meaning that you're being nitpicked. The problem with mass surveillance like Flock is it kind of opens the floodgates to hyper-technical prosecution. Basically, the feds will just go after anyone they don't like because everyone commits crimes anyway. A surveillance police state is really not healthy for society. The truth is, policing is way more profitable than actually solving crime. So yeah, if you base your morals off of the law, you're just fucking stupid. Just don't use this as an excuse to go out and fucking, I don't know, like, go 80 in a school zone or something. So the reason why these things are popping up so quickly is because they have made the barrier of entry so low. Typically, whenever a city wants to upgrade their security system, they have to go through a public bidding process. But Flock was like, oh no, we're not a surveillance company, we're a software company. And then they just don't follow the rules. Yes, there has been ordinances passed to limit this technology, but it's really like trying to fix your marriage with Flex Seal. It's not just Flock doing this, there's also Motorola and Axon. Alright, so how do these suckers even work?
The thing behind me is a Flock Falcon ALPR camera, and it's basically a Ring doorbell camera on steroids. So it has infrared sensors, but it detects movement using optical camera. I'm fumbling my words today. It tracks people, basically anything that moves. It's powered by a solar panel connected to a battery, and it connects to the database using LTE. So they don't use like fiber optic, because I guess it's just quicker to do it that way. Very tacky, very sketchy.
So whenever an object moves in front of it, the machine learning will determine like what type of vehicle it is, its license plate, and like visual cues, whether it has like a roof rack, a dent in the back of it, or some bumper stickers, and it will log it in the database for like 30 days. The exact details of the AI algorithm are widely unknown. I just don't trust Flock. They come out and they say, oh, we don't do this, this is bad, but then they turn around and they do that exact same thing.
I lied.
Now the Flock Condors crank up the creepy level to the max. These cameras have the ability to record long videos. They will automatically zoom into anything that moves by using AI cropping. Just all around, very invasive technology being done without our consent. Flock's business model relies heavily on moving fast and breaking things. They need that rapid expansion in order to justify their business. If, for any reason, the rapid growth slows, their business will be toast. The good news is that cities around the United States have been canceling their contracts with Flock due to the recent controversy. There is a crowdsourced website called DFlock, and it basically tracks all of the unregulated ALPR cameras. So if you want to see where these cameras are near you, take a look-sees at it. It's great. I use it all the time. I will make a part 2 to this video in a few months. It will be more reactionary. I hope to see you there, and let's beat Flock's YouTube channel in subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.
Peter Thiel 6000, whoa. Peter Thiel is a man you'll hate. Peter Thiel is out to catch your name and plate. Peter Thiel 6000, whoa.